Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to check storage in IQoo Z5 phone guys. You want to check your storage guys, so you can check. And guys, how to check it today I will tell you in this video guys. We will talk about it, how to check storage in IQoo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you are new in my channel and you are watching for the first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video friends. First of all, what will you have to do to check storage in IQoo phone guys? You will have to come on your phone setting. Then friends, you will have to come on about phone. So as now we will click on about phone. Then guys, you can see phone storage 256 GB, as you can see that. So I think guys you have understood how to check phone storage in IQoo phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.